it's Samu here and welcome to this extra episode for my news that came out last week or this week, that I will be joining Team Extreme Route Crawlers, a Chinese manufacturer who builds quality parts for radio control rock crawlers. The most popular thing would be probably the huge pin tires, but I was asked to join the team to drive the W3 rock crawler in the pro class, and of course use their tires on all of the rigs. And I accepted the deal because to be honest, I'm very interested about this rig and what it can do and what it can't do. My brother Saku had it for a few years, and I have seen from the side what it can do, and I'm quite interested to try it out by myself. And so finally the package has arrived. Let's see. Fancy stuff. Tires, wheels, apparently weights also. Oh, look at this. Holy moly. All assembled. Pre-assembled for perfection. Next. There's the rear axle with the motor. I have to say, this is very, very nice. Let's see. More servo horns. And here you can see the full kit of the chassis. Electronics are fitted. Time to test.
Paitsi että tossa ei muuta nauhoita. Vittu kun tää näyttää niin eriltä kamerilta. Aja tässä silleen kuvasta pois, niin kuin kierrät täältä. Mä en näe tätä koko kameraa itse nyt.
I've been doing some practice already with it and positively surprised about the performance. It is widely different to drive with this rig than let's say regular rig, just because it has this. It is like kind of like a stick setup, so the chassis is straight attached to the axle and there are no lower links. It is working like this. No lower links, which makes ground clearance massive. I don't even know how much, but do I have anything? Well, you can see from the tire. That's a huge pin tire, can almost fit underneath the belly of the rig. And the other thing that this opens up is the steering. You can have like stupid crazy angle of steering with these things, because it doesn't have the lower links that would be on the way. The suspension is widely different. As you can see, it's already all the time it is with the full 12.5-inch wheelbase. You can't push it down because there are no lower links, and the suspension works with these from side to side, and then it has this massive amount of flex. And this wouldn't be possible without the weight hangers that are right low down there. They are like very, very, very low. So it has most of the weight very low, both on front and on the rear. And there is only just a thin layer of foam on top of the wheel, because the wheel itself, it kind of stops somewhere here because of the low weights. So there is only just a thin layer of foam, but it seems to be working brilliantly with the huge pin tires. Then we have servo from Extreme Route, 75 kilos, 1800 kV in-runner motors, and his ESCs, brushless ESCs, right underneath the hood here, and there's the receiver also. Don't look at the wires, they are messed up, but I figured I could get them all in there, so they're there. And then there is a battery holder underneath here, but as for the moment I don't have not small enough batteries for this to be used, so I put it on the rear axle here, the battery, 450 milliampere. batteries that I run now. Yeah, this is the whole rig, and yeah, I should be videoing the axles because I think these are a piece of art themselves. As you can see here, from the knuckle, the weights go down here, and then you can see the drive shafts, which are pretty beefy. As you can see, they are going underneath the axle, and there are no covers, there are no like axle tubes. They are not needed. There's only a thick layer of carbon fiber here, both sides, and the drive shafts go underneath. And the gearbox is very small, and they are using quite small gears. And as for the experience, I can tell that Saku only broke one set of gears during the 4 years that he drove with this rig, so I'm pretty confident about them as well. There's the gearbox, and there you can see a little printed part to adjust the steering or limit the steering, because otherwise it would be mad. But it is already mad, to be honest. And yeah, it has some cool features. This rear gearbox and motor could be clocked better, but the angle that it's going up is so crazy that it's almost impossible to do it. Do it like it won't hang over here. Otherwise the axle would have to be really straight up. So it's almost impossible to do it like this. But yeah, there are a lot of adjustments that you can make on the axle side and or also on the chassis side. So I'm not, let's say I'm not there yet that I can try 3 different setups. We have less than a month to the Worlds, and today I'm going out to test it again, try a few courses, find its limits, find how it goes. Try to drive upside down, because that is an issue with this rig. I have to find the ways how to handle it upside down, and in general just find a touch with it. So it should be really fun experience to drive with this rig at the Worlds and next season as well. So yeah, let's go and see how it looks on the terrain.
3 minuuttia. Siis mennyt 2 jäljellä. 45 sekkaa. Ah. 20 sekkaa. 10. 4. 3. Joo.
Tuosta ei kesto.
Mm.